Hello everyone, I am Shivani from Pacorr Testing Instrument. Are you PET and plastic bottle manufacturer and want to ensure your bottles are strong, durable and leakage proof? Weak bottles can collapse under pressure, causing damaged product and customer complaints. That's why you need a bottle top load tester. In the competitive bottle manufacturing industry, product strength and durability are essential. Weak bottles can lead to product leakage and wastage, higher rejection rates, increased production costs and loss of customer trust. If bottles fail during storage, transportation or usage, it can impact your brand reputation. A bottle top load tester is designed to measure the maximum load a bottle can withstand before deforming or collapsing. With this essential quality control tool, you can ensure uniform bottle strength, optimize material usage without compromising durability, reduce plastic wastage, comply with industry standards like ASTM and ISO. With a stronger, more reliable bottle, your product stays safe during shipping and usage. How it works using a bottle top load tester is simple. Step 1. Place the bottle on the platform. Step 2. The machine applies a gradually increasing load. Step 3. The digital display records the exact force at which the bottle collapses. The data helps manufacturer improve design and quality, ensuring zero defects in production. Why every manufacturer needs this machine? A top load tester is a must-have for every PET and plastic bottle manufacturer because it helps in quality control, cost reduction, better customer satisfaction, and meeting industry standards. Get the best top load tester today from Pacorr.com, your trusted partner in quality testing solutions.